Hey guys, thanks for tuning into this episode of Olivia Meets World. I can't wait to show you what we have in store for you.
Hey, I'm Krissie and I am from the Netherlands. My major is biochemistry and today we're making Kruidnoten, which is a Dutch specialty delicacy for this holiday. We make it for Sinterklaas. It's kind of our second Christmas.
Okay.
It's on the 5th of December instead of the 25th. We also have Christmas. We have both, which is great. We also get gifts from both. And it's really good.
So what are we going to be making again today?
Kruidnoten.
How do you say that?
Kruid.
Kruid? That's so bad.
Kruid.
Kruid.
Okay, this is very hard.
Okay.
For English people, for English speaking people.
Yes.
Noted.
Noted.
The second part is really good. The first one.
Noted.
Yes.
I feel like
noted. It means spice nuts.
Spice nuts.
Yes, because we're using so many. We're gonna use a fourth of a tablespoon.
Okay.
So we don't have too many leftovers
Okay.
of the spice mix.
Okay.
We need 2 of those.
10 parts of cinnamon. All right. You ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Perfect. Beautiful.
Righty. So we have 2 parts of nutmeg. We're going nuts with nutmeg. So that's our spice mix, right?
Yes.
So then we just mix it up in this little bowl. Whoa.
Smells how it's supposed to smell, so
Okay,
that's good.
What are we gonna preheat the oven to?
150 degrees Celsius.
What?
And I'm gonna
What
look
is-
up what is it in
What is that in Fahrenheit?
Correct.
Celsius to Fahrenheit calculator.
It's so hard. 302.
Preheat the oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit.
Fahrenheit. Cuatro en número.
Yep. Woo.
And then 3 tablespoons of milk.
1,
I'm the next Rachel Ray. Here
And now we
go.
can get our hands dirty.
Oh goodness.
Get in there.
So we just sprayed our pan to make it non-stick. So what is the next step?
Then we take off a little piece of dough, a little piece of that. Make a little ball, and then just stick it on the pan like that.
And then we'll put them in the oven, right?
Yes, for 20 minutes.
Woohoo! We're gonna put our cookies in the oven. Our oven is set at 300 degrees Fahrenheit and we're gonna put it in for 20 minutes. So we took them out of the oven.
Yes, they're not as dark as they're supposed to look, but these are nice and solid. These are
So what do you want them to look like essentially, or what the texture should be like?
well, ideally they'd be this color. These are right out of the oven, so I hope I don't burn them. But I'm really excited to try it. It's hot. It's really hot, but really good. These are delicious.
Approved?
Mm-hmm.
Sounds good.
Olivia Meets World approved.
Thanks for watching this episode of Olivia Meets World. You can catch this episode and all the next episodes premiering right here on the UNI International Missions Facebook page.